Hi guys and girls on YouTube and welcome to my channel. I'm trying to repair this inverter board for a Panasonic microwave and I found that the IGBT is faulty. Now the part numbers are GT60N321 and these are well faked on the internet. Now I have a proper Panasonic kit here for reference so we can actually compare the IGBT. That's a genuine, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, that's a genuine Toshiba one anyway. That came in the Panasonic kit. Now there's plenty of these around on the internet, and if you look at that straight away you can see that it's been sanded down and relabeled with a correct number. So that's a dead easy fake to actually spot. That's the part, the original one, that's faulty in the inverter board. But just take a look at this, what I've just come across. Right, so I've just moved to a little bit better light now. So if we take a look at this one, it looks absolutely the business. This looks nice and shiny, brand new. It's not been rattling around somewhere in a box with a million other ones. But if you look at the logo on the front, we've got a square panel, and the number is on the square panel. So straight away, although it's in the same package and everything, it actually looks very, very different to a genuine Panasonic one. So let's put this on a peak tester and see what we've got, because there's something definitely not right about this. Right, so that's it on my peak transistor tester. Let's just press the button and see what we've got. Now it says there, red and green leads shorted. So the red and the green lead on the original IGBT, the green would be the gate and the red would be the emitter. So let's do some further tests on this. Right, so if you look at that, the red, the gate and the emitter leads are actually dead short. The 0.4 ohms, just the resistance of the test lead. Right, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to leave the green lead off and I'm going to clip the blue on what would be the gate and the red on what would be the collector of a genuine IGBT. So let's press that button. And straight away there it tells us we've got a diode junction. So this isn't what it appears to be. It's not an IGBT at all. It's probably a reject high powered single diode in a, is it TO47 something encapsulation. But let's just have a quick look on the internet and see if we've got a data sheet for something similar to show you what I think it should look like. Right, so I've just pulled this up on my phone. So that is what we've got there. We've got 3 pins with just a single diode, and the chances are we've got a reject ultra fast soft recovery diode here, which has actually been labelled up to look like a Toshiba insulated gate bipolar transistor. Yeah, that's matches what the pinout we've got is, 2 shorted together and a diode. So the chances are this has started out a bit like this. This is a brand new transistor. It's a manufacturer's reject. You can tell it's a manufacturer's reject because the face is blank. It doesn't have any numbers printed on. So what somebody's done is they've pulled a load of rejects out of a bin and they've renumbered them to look like an IGBT. So if you look at that, it's a genuine part. It says Philippines in there, but it's a reject because there's no numbers whatsoever on it. So there's another one to watch out for. Don't assume because something's not been sanded down and it looks absolutely mint, don't assume you've got a genuine part.